Alright guys, so now I'm actually going to clean up all the rust out of the bottom of the car, and then I'll spray it with this here rust reformer, which kind of just converts rust, stops it from oxidizing and continuing to progress. But for it to work, you have to definitely get all the existing rust down there. So on the body, or frame either, I don't have a lot of deep rust, but I do have surface rust. So I'm planning on just kind of cleaning that out. Clean out all the surface rust I can and get it all cleaned up, and then I'll paint over it to prevent any more from growing. And then I may also use some of this undercoating my brother bought by. And so he had some extra undercoating, rubberized undercoating, so I may use that as well. But before I do that, I want to put a layer of that rust preventative and stop any rust that's already there. And then I'll coat it again. So let's look underneath and see what it looks like. All right, so going underneath the car, you'll see there's some rust spots, but nothing like major corrosion or anything that's really like eaten out. But look under here. There are definitely some spots of rust that we can grind down and then paint over. So you can see we actually started that process in the back here. While I had the fuel tank down, it made sense to get underneath that area, but I'll kind of continue from up here on forward. Alright guys, so this is the wheel I'm going to use for the rust. It works pretty good. I could obviously use a regular grinding wheel, but this just kind of keeps it at the surface level and it won't allow me to kind of eat deep into the metal. But it works just as good for what I'm using it for. So this will be the grinding wheel I use. Let's get to it.